Hiya Mark, how was your day?
It's been fantastic. It's been really, really enjoyable.
What was the highlight?
Probably making the samosas for the very first time, understanding how to fold the pastry in the right way. And it's something that I've probably not done for 30 odd years since catering school. So, actually learning it and then doing it and going, oh my God, I've made a samosa, brilliant.
And did it exceed your expectations?
Yeah, it's fabulous. Actually, because as much as I am a cook, and I've cooked all my life, learning some new combinations, learning how sort of lemon and sort of the coriander work together, really sort of, I don't know, it sort of really opened my eyes to sort of like simple flavours, but sort of producing really gorgeous dishes.
And would you recommend the Spice Guy class?
Oh, obviously, definitely, 100%. Because it was fun. It's been 5 or 6 hours of playing with food, of making a few dishes and having a good old chat and having a sort of, met with some really nice people and just creating some dishes together. So yeah, I definitely recommend it.
Brilliant. Hope to see you again soon.
All right, no worries, mate.